Good afternoon, all. Welcome to our webinar on ensure business continuity through effective project management. My name is Amit Pawar, and I handle EDS Technologies business for Western region, and I operate from EDS Pune office. With me today, I'm joined with my colleagues, Mr. Chandrakant and Mr. Punjab, who will take you through more details on the project management leveraging 3D Experience platform. And before I set the context, I would like to mention few points. Like in these extraordinary times, your teams could be working from multiple locations due to dynamically changing norms and arising conditions. It is very important that you get real-time update and view of your multiple projects and review them from anywhere. Leveraging 3D Express platform from Dassault Systems, which is available on cloud, to ensure that you are able to manage your entire project development process and RFQ stage. Access real-time project dashboards for project reviews across your team, whether at office or at home. Ensure resource planning and mitigate the challenges of resource allocations and plan risk mitigation in this current crisis to ensure your projects are on track. Manage document version, revision, and release management, project document control. Browser-based 3D 2D CAD data reviewer. Ensure EBOM, MBOM synchronization, engineering, change management, APQP process management, etc. And integrate with MS Office Suite and CAD solutions. So before we go ahead and I hand over the deck to Mr. Punjab, I would like to take you through a few slides on our organizational introduction, EDS introduction. Yeah, this is the agenda. This is about EDS technologies, which I will take you through. Then we have a project collaboration overview, project management planning and execution, which will be presented by Mr. Punjab Borkar. And then we have value offerings from Dassault Systems and EDS Technologies. And then we have a Q&A session. Yeah, EDS Technologies was incorporated in 1994 to focus on PLM solution, sales, implementation, and support. We are a platinum partner of Dassault Systems. We are the largest PLM and engineering solutions provider in India. More than 1,500 customers and 11 offices across India. We have strategic alliances with world leaders, dedicated sales, support, marketing, customer satisfaction, audit teams to address customers' PLM business and support requirements. We have robust e-learning portal with focus on software and domain applications, complete system integration skills. Yeah, EDS Technologies business is we do this business in three verticals. The major vertical is engineering solutions. So under engineering solutions umbrella, we have PLM solutions like 3D Experience, CATIA, Simulia, Delmia, Innovia, Geovia, which are all from Dassault Systems, brand offerings. And then we have Ramsys from Human Solutions Germany for ergonomic solution, and we have QChecker for product data quality management from Technia Germany. Then we have mining solutions again from Dassault Systems. The mining solutions cover Serpac, Minex, Vital, Mindshed, and Insight. We have visual solution for DRDOs and Air Force and Border Security Force and defense organizations, which covers Vega Prime, Creator, Vortex, VAPS XT, VR Forces, and VR Vantage. We have EDA verification and IP solutions from Synopsys. So these are electronic design analysis tools from Synopsys. Then the second vertical business line we have is from learning solutions. So we have our own e-learning portal where we cover domain courses and CAD courses. Then we have services for online and implementation for 3D Experience and Innovia implementation services. To give a brief on our EDST e-learning portal, e-learning portal is basically a web-based training and skill development application with a repository of domain and product design software courses with relevant examples related to various industries. Which gives 100+ CAD and domain-based courses. Get skilled at your own comfort and pace. industry relevant examples and applications. Skilling and reskilling is easy and organized. Advanced skill building courses and exercises for experienced users. Easy, affordable, and organized way to train fresh recruits. Customizable training plan for your team and with goal setting and online assessment. This is covered by all Dassault Systems portfolio and Autodesk portfolio. Yeah, so coming back to the topic of our webinar, so today's scenario, we have challenges are to ensure business continuity as always, whether you are in pandemic or on move or at home or at office. So overcoming these challenges will be seamless transition to work from home using 3D Express platform on cloud. Second point is cross-functional working in silos. So to overcome these challenges will be use of IT cloud-based platform. Third challenge will be design collaboration between multiple geos within and outside the ecosystem. Overcoming this challenge will be more use of digital technologies, office location, what matter. Ensure productivity and efficiency in deliverables. To overcome this, adoption of a platform that takes care of risk, business continuity, and on-time deliverables. Secure access to design, environment, and product data. And to overcome this, we have digitally secured infrastructure on cloud. So to cover these challenges, we would like to take you through a quick poll. We request you all participate in this poll. That's one question on these challenges. Yeah, Chandrakan, can you just start the poll, please? Yeah, poll is open now. We would like you to please select one of the option. So can project management address above mentioned challenges? Please select one option and you have to submit the poll, submit the option. We will wait for a few seconds. So I think 70% of the participants have voted. So we will stop the poll now. So we have, astonishingly 94% are saying yes to these challenges. So this is the poll. 94% are saying yes and 6% are saying no. Can project management address above mentioned challenges? So these are the challenges faced by most of the organizations today. So to take you through this and give more insights on this project management, I would like to hand over this deck to my colleague, Mr. Punjab, who will take you through the remaining session. Over to you, Punjab.
Yeah, thank you, Amit sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am Punjab Borkar. I am working as a senior solution consultant, and I'm taking care of all Dassault PLM solutions as a pre-sales solution provider. So, in today's scenario, as explained by Mr. Amit sir, regarding the challenges in current scenario is happening. On that basis, what we have, we are providing the solution on the cloud base. So I will go through this scenario in present scenario, how people are working in current situation or in current scenarios. So it is like electronic transfer. It is electronic transfer. Like people are or any stakeholders are sharing a document with each other from one person to another person. It may be via mail or via telephonic, or it may be through FTP. or there will be a lot of data duplication or coordination, lacking coordinations are there, and there are many follow-ups is required. So if there are multiple peoples or multiple departments or multiple stakeholders are there, in that cases, it is very huge impacts on like communication point of view or data sharing or document sharing point of view. That is the correct data. Uh, to overcome this, we have our solution is counter on this digital communication base. So it is from like a file based system to model based system. So in digital scenario, system will be the centralized system where the people will communicate, where the people will store data, where the people will communicate. All those things will happen in the centralized way. And how it will happen, if you see, so data digitally will be the one, data or content will be the one, and it will be visible the correct latest one data to the various stakeholders. So one file or one content is flowing throughout the organization with different people, different stakeholders, or different departments. So those things will counter here with the correct release of data by communicating the centralized system. So with the help of these solutions, we can accessibility point of view, we can access data quicker manner because it is a cloud-based solution available. So you can access the data at any moment of time. You can contribute your working processes. You can collaborate within the organization with various stakeholders or your colleagues or peers, or finally you can innovate your product in quicker and faster in the digital way. So it is the cloud-based values, which project collaboration on cloud, which focus on what you do best in scenarios with the help of cloud solutions. We can have confidence in the peace of mind, and peace of minds, because you will accessible data at any moment of time. You need not to ask anyone what kind of data or what updated data is required. And if you see access, it is anywhere at any moment of time from any device. Our cloud solution supports mobiles or tabs also. And you can conquer the digital marketplace. So we have some supplier libraries or supplier base on the cloud. So marketplace is available for supplier point of view, and it will be the sustainable and profitable business, because time spending in the unwanted activities and all, we can counter through this actually. So now I'll come to the project planning and executions one by one. Yeah. Before going to this, there is one more poll. I will suggest Chandrakant sir, please shoot the poll. Yeah, I hope you are getting this poll on your screen. We'll wait for a few moments to answer this poll.
Hi, I think question is pretty clear to all. Can project collaboration avoid delays in project manager? You can answer in either yes or no. You can select one of the answer. We'll wait for just a minute, and then we'll share the results also. So then we can carry forward for next slides. Thank you.
I think 75% of you all have voted now. Uh, so with this, I'll close this poll. As you can see in your desk, this is the result of the poll. 79% of you all feel project collaboration can definitely avoid delays in project management. And pretty surprising to see 21% of you still feel project collaboration cannot avoid delays in project management. So down the line we'll elaborate in detail about project management, so I know you can get a better feel of the collaboration which is very much necessary in project management.
Yeah, thanks for all to participate in the poll. So I will go through this project management planning and execution slides. So as you know, in any organizations, like a product quality planning cycle is common. Like planning phase is there, then execution of your complete prototype and product development and prototype verification is there, and then there will be quality check for the complete processes point of view, and then there will be continual improvement to act on that actually planning. So commonly, if you see product quality planning chart, if you see there is common processes generally in every niche industries follows, from like concept initiation to concept planning to product design and development, then process design and development and product process validations, and then final SOP starts actually. And there is also feedback assessment and corrective actions, and all people are generally following in every niche industry if you see. So what we have providing, we are providing this project management to all industries. We are catering around 12 industries. T&M is basically automotive, aerospace, defense, then marine and offshores, then industrial equipment, high tech, consumer goods, CPG, life sciences, energy, architectures, and civil, financials, and natural resources. So all these industries, our solution best fitted. It is out of box configurable solutions which we are providing to cater all industry needs. So what it will give you, it will govern the projects effectively. As you see, there is a present scenario or current scenario. People are collecting the information, project information from different stakeholder or sources, and then they are compiling through Excel or any other applications. And it is like collecting the last week data or old data, and then they are putting in front of the stakeholder peers or managers or higher management for the last week data. So till the time preparation and all, some days will go on, and my project will be in the different stage. So there is some loops will happens in that by manual collections. So against that, if it is a real-time update, real-time projects scenario, then stakeholders will continuously push their information in the same system, and complete project dashboarding. If you see here, like progress or how many sleep days of that particular projects, or how many late tasks in that project, or critical tasks in that projects, or how many members are overlaid. So complete project dashboard will be available here. In fact, if you see the image which gathers all projects undergoing on me, will be how at what level of stage it is there in current, which phase it is there. So all these are available in this actually. Just hold on. Just hold on. I think some connection is issue there. Yeah, just now. Now might be this screen is visible to all. So if you see complete dashboard of all projects will be visible here with respective current phase and dates will be available on the same dashboards. And apart from that dashboard, it will highlight you the what are the pending activities or what are the pending deliverables from the different projects, and what are the issues are going on to that projects, and what are the assessment if you have there in that particular projects, what is the stage of those assessment. In fact, most important thing from the project planner point of view, effort is taken in that particular projects, what type of effort is taken. It is actual efforts, or it is a progressive efforts, or it is a completed efforts. So all categorization will be done by system. And this is the project management, which is with the deliverables. In current scenario, if you see your project schedule or project plan is in Excel, your data in with different stage, and there is no association with the activities or complete WBS structure. So we have template-based, configuration-based project template scenarios where we can configure n number of templates, and complete WBS structure can maintain in that templates, and using those templates we can we can create these projects. So it is, if you see here in the action bar, there is a one icon like a gear color icons are there, and after this dependency column there is a attachment are there available here. So it is a deliverable based project management where the data is associative with your activities, like preliminary BOM, there is a BOM is attached. If there is a goal or any document is there, it is attached with that. It may be a PFME document or process flow diagram or any MSA kind of documents are attached to the particular activity. So it is a complete deliverables project management, and it will be not like other project management system. If it is a component or any file or any content is in WIP, it is not visible to this other stakeholders unless it is not released in the department. So once it is released, then only the latest data will be visible to the respective stakeholders. And to release that, we have review and approval mechanism. So workflows and approval process you can configure within the system, which presently people are getting a sign up or getting through mail and all. So there will be unnecessarily delay to get a review or approval process, and finally to release the data. So this will not happen with this system because it is available on the particular stakeholders dashboards. So everything will be visible on that particular dashboard, person's dashboard. So apart from the project deliverables, you can connect with your product portfolio. Maybe any organization, if you consider they have different product lines or maybe a different business scenarios in the same organizations. Or same product is there and different variants are there, or different product lines are there. Depends on the market needs and all. So these kind of project lines can be associative to project, so that people will understand at the end of year or at the end of financial year, okay, from so and so product line, so and so version, so and so variant is more demanded in the market, or so and so product is not demanding in the market. So based on that, people can take the decision in quicker manner. Okay, so what kind of modification is required through the compliant management or other sources for that particular product. So they can revise that product, and then again they can relaunch with different. So if we have a lot of examples in current scenario, it might be you also doing the same things with your product lines. So we can accurately communicate to address the market opportunities, and this is a single system which will we can plan the needs and product development revisions. We have graphical view also for that particular product lines, so people can graphically also take that information. So most important criteria for any project management system, which is like coordination of scope, schedules and resources, as people have answered why collaboration is not required or why it is required, because project management is not like a simple activity. It is a multiple stakeholders, multiple resources, cost, or so many things, materials, and everything is involved in that project. So these all required coordination in collaborative manner. So we have a complete scope management system, we have a schedule management system, we have resource management system. So resource planning is a part of the system, because if you assigning an activity to a particular person, we should know, okay, this person is already overloaded in that particular day time, or it is available in another time. So planning will be the in better way we can do, so that project execution will not hamper in future. So this is the scenario. If you see in the image, in the simple click, there are project members are available in the right side, and by simply clicking against the task, people will get a notification or reminder through mail or through the internal system, so that they in their dashboard this activity will be displayed, and they can execute that, and they will get the estimated duration, start date and end date time. So all this scenario. And if you see, if once it is started by executions, progress of that complete activity will also highlighted in the green, red, or orange colors. So it is on time or delay, or how it is. Even though system will very precise, if even though activity is completed, but it is not completed in the estimated time, it will show you in green, but it will highlight you it is a completed, but it is a late task. So all this information, KPIs and all will be maintained in the system. So people can set the reminders, if you want to set the reminders for that particular project for the all activities. So people can set the reminders. And so many people sometimes ask me about, like, one activity we can assign to multiple people. Yes, we can assign this one activity to the multiple peoples with a different time frame. That is also possible. So we have a risk management, issue management system by default. If you see, we can prioritize our risk system with the help of some predefined configurations, as well as just hold on. I think my screen is visible. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Okay. So risk grid or opportunity grid can be configured to anticipate the issue and mitigate it earlier. So since issue found late, it will be costly, and it will be difficult to correct, and there is a huge loss if any issue or risk is not correctly identified in early phase. So this is one key benefit of this, and this issue is associated with your project scenario, project planning. So earlier identification of risk is a lower cost, as you know, every time. So in project execution point of view, it is also important. Not only planning, there should be execution part is also most important thing. So that project execution people or project execution team should understand what kind of activities I want to do on which date or which prioritizations, all those things required. So they required also personalized dashboards or task management system. And like there are many documents in MS Office, Excel, or Word documents. So all this MS Office integration we have, and issue on the dashboard. So to answer that issues or resolve that issues in early phase. So all this information will be available on the project team members dashboards. So that I will show you. So this is a project members dashboards, where if you see what kind of activities is handling, and how much completion of those activity, and how many days it is slipped, and what is the estimated time, or what is the actual start time. So all this information will be available with the project information. These activities from the which project and all, this also we can highlight here. And apart from that, if you see in the right side, there will be how many tasks, project tasks is assigned, or how many issues I am handling, what is the pending task as per the projects, and what is the percent of complete of that deliverables and activities. So all this information available on the executions dashboard, executors dashboard. So I will go through one live scenario which is recorded earlier, so that you will get a more clear idea on this. So I will go through this. If you see, this is a web-based applications. It is a role-based applications. Role-based application. We have a server client architecture, as server is on cloud and your own machine is a client. So client is connected to the server, and only browser is needed to access all information related to the project. And it is very secured environment. In security point of view, we have a 2 or 3 layer security system. One is the username and password. Without that, it cannot be enter in the system. Second is there is a IT security system is inbuilt in the cloud. And there is a third one is a OTP. Suppose you don't want to access the system from the outside the organization's workstation, so we can define OTP to access that link or access that user ID and password from the outside. So this kind of access control will be available through this. So if you see, this is all my project dashboards. All projects are going under me with descriptions, with current phase, what is the progress of that, it is as status is active or just it is a plan. And apart from that, pending tasks from the each project and what are the timeline of each projects, all will be displayed in the dashboard. So this is a single project dashboards which will give the complete informations. So it is a role-based application, as I explained you. So any user have a specific role, and depends on that or depends on his responsibility. So capabilities will be available. So here, if you see project manager roles and most important thing, to most of the people are investing time to searching data, correct release of data, correct revision of the data. So we have single window with 6W tag filters, which will help people to identify their data in quickly and faster. Suppose there are 2 files are there, it is very easily. But if there are 100 or 1000 files are there, and we want that one correct file, so it is very difficult in Windows applications. So here it is very quickly, because we have some internal indexing system, so data will be indexed in the system, and so that people can search with the help of one single window. So it is a faster search applications. We have our own menus and all, and if you see here is 70 number in red color, it is our self notification, where if any activities or anything assigned to a particular person, it will be highlighted here as well as through the mail also. And you can access the functionalities from different areas. So we can configure a number of templates based on your requirements or based on the clients. Okay. So if you see here, I'm creating a new projects using my existing templates. If you see here, this is I'm taking a simply one project templates, and using these templates, I have created this empty dashboards. This is a single project dashboards where all project status will be there. Top level task is there. Then there will be deliverable status is there. All task status will be there, and it is dynamic. If you click on the pending, so it will highlight the pending activities. If it is overdue, it will highlight the overdue activities. It will go in the drill down the system. And there is most important, you need not to prepare the Gantt chart and all, so system will taking care of this, so it automatically prepares based on the WBS structure. And one example here, any requirement or any change comes through the mail. So as I told, it is our MS Office integration is there. If you see, this is Outlook page, and 3D Experience tab is available here in this menu, like other home, file, and 3D Experience is there. So how we can how can integrate this mail to our system project? So we have login credential for this, and with the help of this we can log in user with the help of user ID and password, and this mail we can save as to a particular project folder as a specification, and we can add up to the particular activity. So we have inbuilt menu for saving and creating in the projects. So if you see, this is the one KOHF project F, in which specification folder is there, and in this folder I am saving this file, and later I can attach this to my particular activity. So it will maintaining a revision version of this also. You can subscribe this. We have subscription module. Subscription means suppose you want to push subscriptions to a particular person or particular stakeholders. So reminder will go to those people. Okay, this document came and we have to act on that. So it is a seamless information will be also available to that particular person. Similarly, with the MS Office, so I'm highlighting here how to version control with this. We have already this documents in the system, and I'm modifying this document for a particular reason or against some issues or against some change. So already I have version 1, and I'm unlocking this. Locking, unlocking document is a part of the system. So document management is available. It is available with document management. And now I'm modifying this document after some change or some issues we have to modify. So that also we can take into the account within the system. And we have search based menus, inbuilt search based menu with the Excel also. You can search the document in Excel itself. And now I have modified and I have created this, and now I'm saved this. So once it is released, so respective stakeholder will can see only version 2, okay, or version 2 or revision A.2 or 0.2, depends on the company's policy. They can configure this. So this will be visible, but if you want older one also, what kind of changes has done. So version 1 is also maintained in the system. It is in backend. You can reuse as a duplication of these files, or you want to reuse that for different purpose, that also you can do. But latest one will be visible to the respective stakeholder. So that is one key factor of this. So this is one project overview which already I have shown. So details of the project which associate to the product lines. So reminder we can set for the particular project. So based on your priorities, you can set the reminders. Then we have complete resource management system also, resource pool management, which is a part of project management solutions. So people can ask resources from the particular department or particular skill set or demand by or capacity wise. So all this we can do in the system itself. Member list is available to define complete project scenario. So we have a complete task detail for a planner, how many task view are available, so how many are completed. So all task details dashboard is with complete status also we can see. So if you see here, most of the time people are asking about the resource loading reports, so weekly, monthly, or daily. So on the basis we can work with different departments. So we can drill down this also for a particular user as well. So if you see overall resource report, other resources reports also available. So this is my complete WBS structure of a project, which is a project design or project product development or process design and development. So all this available, which we have shown in our one slides. So if you see here, one deliverable is attached in these columns with the progress and start date and actual date. And a system will automatically detect the critical activity based on the duration and all. So, and second is the interactive Gantt chart with complete informations. We have phase gate view where the in the gate we can define the checklist. We can define the checklist, and in that checklist we can highlight complete scenarios what we have to define. We have digitized meetings, or we can digitize the discussions, and we can see the deliverables completed or not to go in from the one phase to second phase. So it is a phase gate view. And most important, to assign people or project member to a particular activity, it is just by simply clicking uncheck or toggle on off the kind of way. You can just click and assign the activities, so that reminder will go to that particular person. And this is effort view from the project point of view. In this project, what kind of effort we have taken, that also we have shown. So you can create a n number of baselines. It is not like limitations. It is not like other applications. There is a limitations, but here we can create n number of baselines to capture the project for the future point of view. So this is the deliverables. Separately in separate window also you can see what kind of deliverables are attached, and we can view and all. So folder security and all also we can define based on the priorities. And I will take, so issue and risk is the part of this activity. So we can define issue templates, or and this is the what if scenario, which is unique experiment capabilities. Like a baseline one is capabilities available to capture the image of that particular project on that particular duration or time. Apart from that, you can do the experiments projects. So for example, if I want to hold these projects and if I want to take another project in flow, so that what impact will happen in future. So those kind of experiments we can do. And we can do the online meetings. We can set the agendas and all. So this is also part of this. And this is most important things where this is the one project member and which is involved in this so and so activities and so durations. So people can understand while planning for this particular user in different projects. So this is about the product line and all we can maintain in the system. And this is a workflow routes we can create. If you see, we can set the routes in two different life cycles, from preliminary life cycle to complete product management life cycle, engineering, review, or release, or absolute. So based on this is configurable based on routes. You can create the workflows in series or parallel, or anyone can approve that route, and then it will go to the next. So this is complete scenario of project management. Now I will go for next slide where Amit sir will explain about that. But before that, we want to run one video. This one case study we want to run. We'll run it. Just give us a few minutes, few moments. Mr. Chandrakant sir is going to highlight one case study. So, Chandrakant sir, I hand over to you. Can you please showcase one case? Yeah. Yeah. So this is the case study from Sharda Industries.
The solutions offered by India's ones fast since 2009 has been clear. While doing these particular projects, it started to move short project management skills.
This is the CEO from Sharda Industries, Mr. Kanchan, Ms. Kanchan Pan, where we have implemented this cloud 3D Experience cloud solution for project management, where they are handling multiple projects from the different locations like Lucknow, Pune, and Pantnagar. So all people are collaborating together, and they are sharing their complete project information in one place.
On cloud, and it will help me as the CEO manage all my projects on all my locations without daily having to talk to each of my engineers and know where they are at, or having to work in silos, which is what is the biggest problem, because data having data in multiple different locations and not current and versioning becoming a problem daily. All these things, these issues have gotten resolved just by having this one solution. Operations person and any project leader, manager actually wants to have a clear, transparent traceability matrix available for them, and a traceability dashboard that this 3D experience is able to offer is really useful to give a one-time glimpse into what projects are ongoing and where they are in the timeline that has been decided. So I have found that that is very useful, and the scalability has been something that has been a very good driver as well. The main differentiation I feel between EDS and any other service provider, I think, is the fact that they have such an immense, you know, experience, spanning over 2 decades, that that definitely helps in understanding the customer pain and the customer needs, and giving solutions that are, fulfilling that requirement.
Yeah, I hope you have seen this testimonials from Sharda Industries and how they are using these solutions on the cloud with the help of all stakeholders are connecting this. Now I will hand over to our Amit sir, who will explain you about the offerings going on in this project management capabilities. Amit sir, hand over to you.
Yes, thank you, Punjab. Thank you for your valuable insights on this project management solution from Dassault Systems. There are, in this current scenario, we along with Dassault Systems are running many offers which are on cloud, but currently on this particular solution project management, we have one offer for using PCS, which is a project member role and a DPM, which is a project manager member role, which is to secure legacy investment, user experience, performance, and digital continuity.
Yeah. So I will go to next slide, sir.
Yes, yes.
So this is
this
yeah,
is the
please,
offer
sir.
actually. For business continuity in current COVID-19 pandemic situation, project managers can start project collaboration remotely with 3D Experience on cloud solution with investment of rupees 25,000 per month for 2 users for collaboration remotely, which can be scaled up to 10 users with multiple offerings for complete out of the box solution. So minimum 3 months license is required, which is basically a quarterly license. So overall, the investment will be about 75,000 for one quarterly license, which will give you 2 licenses, which are base roles. That is PCS, which is a collaborative business and industry innovator, 2 licenses of PCS, and 1 license of DPM, which is a project manager role. And apart from this, there are many other offers pertaining to different brands and different solutions. So which we can discuss in Q&A session. So over to you, Punjab. Any question and answer sessions you would like to conduct?
Yeah. I request all gentlemen, they can ask questions or they can chat in chat box also. They can.
Even they can post the question in the chat box.
Yes. Yeah, they can post the questions in chat box. I hope all gentlemen understood the capability of this complete project management solutions on the clouds, how people are working, that also we have highlighted. And I hope you also understood what kind of capabilities this system is available.
Yeah, there is a question from Mr. Ravi Kumar. Can you demonstrate a problem for students training perspective? Ravi Kumar, if required, we'll just unmute you so that you can spell out your problem or a question in better way. Then we'll be able to answer you properly. Mr. Ravi Kumar, can you unmute? Okay. Mr. Ravi Kumar. Can you mute yourself? Okay, till the time there is one more question by Mr. Dr. Sushant Mehti, where this can be customized.
Yeah, customization point of view, on cloud customization there are limitations, but if it is on premise, it is a completely customizable solution is available. But in fact, it is a configurable solutions available on cloud. We can configure what are the processes you have. So it depends again on what type of customization you required. So on-premise, at least it is completely available. And if you go presently, if you go to cloud solutions and adapt that, and if you wish in future want to take into the on-premise, that is also possible. So you can go on cloud first, and then next year onwards or in future, you can take it into on-premise also. You can migrate that from cloud to on-premise. That is possible. And then we can do the what kind of customizations are required. I hope, Mr. Mehti, my answer is in line with you.
Mr. Ravi Kumar, take your question offline due to limitation of time now. If any other questions are there, you all are free to ask now. Mr. Ravi Kumar will discuss with you from training perspective how the solution for training management aspects. I feel that is the query you might be having, but we'll discuss it with you in a depth post this webinar.
I hope if any other questions is there, you can mail us with our mail ID, and or you can you have our contacts, so you can connect us.
Yeah, there is one question coming from Mr. Sainath Nuna. Guest account for supplier is possible. Guest account for supplier, is it possible? They mean to say, as a supplier, if their customer is using 3DEXPERIENCE project management solution, then in that case, can they get a guest account? Hope I'm spelling your question correctly, Mr. Sainath.
It depends again on the customer to customer, how they are, how they want to connect supplier with us, because we have a lot of customers in Pune. Those are connecting European European customers directly. They are working from here and they are connecting directly to their server. So it depends again on the customer to customer. That is a business policy. How it is maintained, that depends on that.
Mr. Sainath says weak overlapping targets can be triggered.
Yes, 100%.
Some of the due deliverables are getting overlapped. Can it be triggered?
Yes, that's why that that configuration is available. If any delay is there, it will be trigger if you want. That is up to planner. Suppose particular activity or particular deliverable want to in particular time, because sometimes the dependency of one deliverable or one task to another deliverable is there. For example, my prototype is not getting ready because of so and so activity. These two activity has to complete it on that particular time frame. Then only I can take other this particular activity. So in that cases, that is possible. We can set that reminder.
Yeah, Dr. Sushant Mehti, supplier can be integrated with the project management solution. Yes, supplier can get integrated. Mr. Sain, CATIA user can see the status with CATIA license.
I didn't get a question. CATIA users can see the CATIA
project state.
Okay, I will answer these questions. Okay, you mean to say on the project dashboards, whatever the CATIA data is there, and you want to see the status of that particular CATIA data. So, and that CATIA data release or revision status is completed or not, that you want to see, right? Yeah, that is again a part of CAD integrations. That is again a extension of complete project management to the CAD integrations, in which there are a lot of things are available. Your BOM can be created automatically within the system. Your browser-based viewer are there with specification tree, so that you can view the data, or there will be a design review mechanism is there, so that you need not to create PPTs and slides on silos. So all will be associated to your CAD structure in the browser itself. So that is again CAD integration is required.
So, Mr. Sushant Methi, software cost, as we have shown in the offer, for quarterly purpose, we can have, with the given set of capabilities, 1 DPM and 2 PCS solution will cost you around 75,000 for 3 months. So we can discuss in detail, sir, going forward. Costing perspective, offerings point of view, we can definitely get in touch with you very shortly, sir. Thank you, sir. Mr. Sainath Nuna is asking, is the solution can be integrated with CATIA V5?
Yes, definitely, definitely. You can integrate whatever the CATIA V5 data. It is not only CATIA V5, it is XCAD integration is possible, and there is we have unique capabilities with CAD data. You can, as I explained in last question also, you can see the product structure. You can do the design review online in the browser itself. That doesn't require any. For example, if you create something in CATIA V5 or any CAD system, and you save or you push the data to the 3D experience system solution, so that project reviewer or project manager want to review or view that data, he doesn't require CATIA V5 license. He can open that data in the browser itself. He can review data. He can create slides in browser itself, and he can revert those slides to you, so designer, so that design review mechanism will be also available online. I hope I answered this question. Yes, it is integrated with Creo also. That is also possible. That's why XCAD and not only mechanical CAD, we have other electrical CAD system also we can integrate. That is scalable solutions available. I hope I have answered many questions. Maybe if any other questions is there, I request all of you, all gentlemen, mail us if any queries are there regarding the same, so that we can answer you in quickly. We can plan one-to-one WebEx meeting so that we can closely work on this. So email is already available. So Thanks all gentlemen. Let us know for further actions. Let us connect through mail. Thank you. Thank you for attention.
Thank you.